So now we're going to explain how you use the touch controls on these earbuds. Basically, the right earbud has a bunch of touch controls which relates to calls as well as volume and transparent hearing. So double tapping the back of the touch panel will turn on and turn off transparent hearing immediately. So it's a quick way to access transparent hearing instead of going into the app and then manually turning it on or off. Also, tapping and holding the touch surface will increase the volume of your media. Tapping the back of this touch surface once will answer a call, tapping it once again will end the call, and tapping it twice will reject the call. Similarly, on the left earbud, if you tap it once, you will pause or play your music. If you tap it twice, you go to the next track, and tapping it thrice will take you to the previous track. Also, tapping and holding the touch surface will decrease the volume. So these were the touch controls on these earphones, the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless, and they were actually one of the first true wireless earphones to integrate touch controls within them. The earphones also have smart pause and play functionality, so if you simply remove one earphone from your ear, it will pause the music, and if you put it back in, it will play the music. So now let's take a look at how to pair the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless earphones. Firstly, you need to take them out of the charging case and press and hold the touch surface for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And they should glow blue and red, the LED right here, which means they're in pairing mode. So now let's turn on the Bluetooth on our device and look for the Momentum True Wireless. They should show up pretty soon in the available devices. Let's try connecting. It should take a moment or so, and it's showing that it's connected now. So now we can go to the Smart Control app by Sennheiser, and here we're going to agree to the terms and hit continue. Here we're going to grant location access, allow it, and hit continue yet again. And then finally you can see the loading screen with the Sennheiser logo, and it is looking for devices. So it should find our true wireless earphones momentarily, and that's it. There we go. The Momentum TW is the true wireless, and it says it has 20% battery remaining at the moment. So here is the greeting screen. It says hello, and it shows you how to properly insert the earphones inside your ear, and it shows you how to pair it, which is pressing and holding both earphones for 5 seconds, and the touch controls right here, the right earbud touch controls, and let's start. So here you can see that we can look at the touch controls yet again if we just tap here. And here you can either turn on or turn off transparent hearing. And you can also choose if you want the music to keep playing when transparent hearing is on. Transparent hearing is when you can hear the surrounding sound of your background clearly. So if you're at a train station, it'll be easy for you to hear announcements. Here you also have the equalizer, so you can set it as per your preference. If you want more bass, you can do that. If you want more treble, you can do that. If you want a slightly less bright sound, you can do that. Or you can just keep it at the default right here. And yes, that's about it for the app. That's all you can do, but it also has an equalizer and the control over it, which audiophiles actually really want, because they want to pick and choose the granularity of their music and how it sounds to them. So this was the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless earphones, guys. They are a great premium looking pair of earphones, and they really stand out. They're stellar. The voice quality as per our testing is also superb, as well as the microphone quality. So these have a lot going for them, and that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.